we are reporting live from, this is the Kadlabal Pampur, this is district Pulwama, that has seen surge in the water levels. Now the Indian Army has chipped in as far as the rescue operations are concerned, because my VJ, if it can show you the entire area, the constructions that you see around, this is a residential area, but it is inundated at present and it has become a no-go zone. Presently the Indian Army is trying to reach with the help of boats to these places, because still the people are living in their first or in the second story, because the ground floor is completely in the water, and they are trying to provide them food packets and the other essential items at present. You see, this is the entire area of the Pulwama Pampur, where you see the water levels have surged. In fact, the tributaries that get connected with the Jhelum, the tributaries have started receding, but when it comes to river Jhelum, the water there is static, which is giving a sleepless night to the administration, because still some predictions in the evening will be for the more drizzle. So that is a worrisome. Although the weather is quite favorable today, we have seen a bright sunrise that has given an edge to the South Kashmir, and no rainfall was witnessed. Meanwhile, if my VJ can show you the kind of aerial surveillance that at present is going on, the aerial monitoring is also taking place, because this is a residential area. In fact, we have while coming to this place, the Omar Abdullah, the CM of Jammu and Kashmir, is also in the same area monitoring the flood situations at present. Very critical time for the Jammu and Kashmir administration. On the one side, we are seeing the people in Jammu are suffering, and similarly in Kashmir, where at the same time the national highway, which is the critical lifeline of Kashmir, it has completely got disconnected, and people are disconnected with the rest of the country. In fact, the cellular services here have gone down to the structures that you see here around. Some of the structures, this is also a industrial structure here. They deal with the stuff, and some iron store is here. Then the residential houses. People have been continuously being informed by the administration about the updates. They have been told to stay indoors, not to come out, stay away from although this is not a river body, but the water that you see, this has come because there has been the breach in the embankments of the river Jhelum. With the result, the water has been diverted to these places.